Lows in the mid-30s. Monday.
Here we go! There we go! Where are you at? Okay, I guess you don't like activating. You didn't activate either, what the hell?
When there was the threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed until
That was the test, everyone. Why didn't you test?
Transmitted over national
Why didn't you go off? I gotta figure that out.
Central and northeast Illinois will be activated for watches and/or warnings, affecting all counties in north central and northeast Illinois, as well as counties in far northwest Indiana. Reception of this broadcast and the alarm tone will vary at any given location.
Alright, we'll see about that.
This variability, normally more noticeable
Here's a
from a
996.
given transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. This concludes the tone alarm.
What else activated? That activated. I don't know about that. Alright, that was the test.